Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HBTower 3-step ladder with tool tray, a versatile and reliable addition to your household or office. This folding step stool features wide non-slip pedals and a comfort hand grip, ensuring safety and ease of use for tasks both indoors and outdoors. With a lightweight design, this ladder boasts an impressive 500-pound capacity, thanks to its high-quality thickened steel frame and cross-structure support. The large tool platform reduces the need for frequent trips up and down, while the ladder's slim 1.6-inch profile when folded makes it easy to store and transport. Safety is a top priority with its metal safety buckle that locks automatically and thickened rubber feet that prevent floor scratches. Whether you're changing a light bulb or reaching for something on a high shelf, the HBTower 3-step ladder provides stability and peace of mind. And remember, if you ever have any questions or concerns, their 24-hour friendly customer service is ready to assist you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.